Friends, do you know when and under what circumstances the Jewish country Israel was created? The date of 7th October 2023 is going to be recorded in the history of the Israel. This is because Hamas fighter attacked the Jewish country Israel. Israel is also giving a befitting reply. Guys, 14 May 1948 is a date which was historic moment for the Jewish community. On this day, the whole world come to know that the Jews who were wandering around had now found a country. However, this happiness did not last long. The very next day, the armies of 5 neighboring countries together attacked this newly formed country. However, Israel gave a strong reply to these two and defeated everyone. This war sent a message to the entire world that this small country surrounded by enemies is not small in any respect. Guys, Jews around the world observe Holocaust Remembrance Day on January 27. It is celebrated as a remembrance of the victim of the Jewish genocide. In fact, during World War II, Hitler's Nazi army was hunting down and killing Jews. Report says that between 1941 and 1945, approximately 6 million Jews were killed in Europe. This massacre awakened the feeling among the Jews that now they wanted a country of their own, and from here the story of the formation of Israel began. Guys, today's Israel was once a part of the Turkish Ottoman Empire, but when the Turkey was defeated during the First World War, the entire area was captured by Britain. But during the Second World War, the world divided into two parts, America and Russia. Britain was stuck in the middle of this war. Britain also suffered a lot in this war. The effect of this was that in 1945, Britain handed over this part of its possession to the United Nations. In 1947, the United Nations divided it into two parts, one called Arab State and other called Israel. There was also Jews in the Israeli part. However, the very next year, that is on 14 May 1948, Israel declared its independence. Guys, while the earth was scorching in the scorching heat of June 1967, on the other hand, the enmity between Israel and the Arab countries was also boiling. As a part of the 5th June approach, the tension increased so much that war started. On one side were the fighters of Egypt, Syria and Jordan, and on the other side was Israel alone. But in this war that lasted for 6 days, Israel defeated all 3 Arab countries. The result was that Israel captured the Sinai Peninsula, Gaza, East Jerusalem, West Bank and Golan Heights. Later, this war stopped due to the intervention of the United Nations.